if you mess up a trick, the best thing to do is try to pretend like that's what you were supposed to do. Like, let's say I do this with the brush, and then I drop it prematurely, and like, oh wow, these are slippery. Try to act like that's what you meant to do. Remember that they don't know what the presentation is. So the only way they know you mess up is really if you tell them you mess up. So I could actually go like, I'm just going to set that down for a second. They don't know what I was supposed to do. They don't know what's supposed to happen unless I'm doing the same trick twice, which I already told you not to do. Of course, if you practice enough, then hopefully you won't have the slip-ups. And here's what's interesting, is that you're going to want to practice as much as possible and watch your angles in the mirror and make sure that when you're performing sleight of hand that you have your angles right and that you are precise with your technique. But then as you get more confident with your technique, you don't really even need the technique anymore. You get to the point where I'm just misdirecting people like, hey, everybody look over here. And I can just almost be obvious, but if everybody's focused this way. I remember watching John Rockbomber, he's doing a card trick, and I was like, I can't believe I can see what he's doing. I can't believe I can see this. And then I looked over and realized everyone else was looking out of the window. He had no reason to hide anything because the misdirection was so great. When you're confident enough and people believe what it is you're doing, when you're focused on your routine, your presentation, then they're no longer worried about the angles, the technique. They're not trying to solve the puzzle. They're into what it is that you're into, the presentation, the story. And it becomes way easier to ditch things in your pocket, to hide things. But you have to start with the technique to build up your confidence. It's amazing how confidence works. As soon as you have it, you really don't need it anymore because you can almost do things in your sleep, and it works that way.